I'm back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving your favorite recipe. And today I want to make you a spinach smoothie. Very easy and simple. I'm going to put some spinach inside of my Ninja blender like this right here, and it's going to be amazing. All right guys, so stay right there, don't go anywhere, and watch this video. It's an amazing recipe and I know you guys are gonna love it. It is summer and you know what I mean, it's just nice. The weather is nice and us enjoying the weather, guys. Nice. So we got the spinach. I'm going to put some ice in it like this, because ice is very important, right? And then we're going to put some lemon, or if you have lime, doesn't matter. Piece of a ginger. We're gonna put one red apple. If you have green apple, it doesn't matter. Yep, that's it so far, and that looking good. We're gonna put a little bit of water, not too much, and a little bit of honey. We're gonna cover it. And then we're going to blend this about 3 to 4. Nice and lovely. So just finished blending it, and now let's take a good look. See what's going on over here. Smells lovely and nice. So this is just a really nice. Look at that. Please enjoy the recipe. That is a spinach smoothie with ginger, lemon, honey, and apple. Enjoy the recipe. Subscribe, leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. I will see you next time. Bye bye.